Sabashi TCG. What's up guys, Sabashi here, and I'm going to tell you how to download Vanguard Zero mobile app. The first thing you want to do is type in cardfight Vanguard Zero in your mobile browser and go down to QooApp. I'll leave a link to the website in the description down below if you want to click it. Let it load up a little bit. And go down to download via QooApp. So you want to click that. Let it load. Just wait. God, it has to load. Alright, then you get this little pop-up. Hit download. If you get a second one, hit download again. And now it should be downloading. So just wait for that to complete. Okay, once that's done, just click download, install. And then once that's done, come on. Come on, little guy. You can do it. Just a little bit more. There we go. Okay. Then go to open. And then it should open up the app that you just downloaded, and it'll take you directly to the Vanguard game. If it doesn't, just open up the QooApp, type in Vanguard, you'll find it. And then ask you like login. Okay, once you're logged in, like I said, it'll take you directly to the game. If not, type it in the browser, Vanguard Zero. Okay, then you want to go down, allow. You need to allow access. So let it connect, and there's the download right there. Just hit download and then wait for that. Now it's going to ask you to enable unknown sources, so go ahead and do that. Allow from this source, and then install. Okay, then let that install. So that's done. Just go ahead and open up. Just click open app, whatever it says, open, and I'll take you to the game. Let this load up, and this is where the downloading begins. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip to where you have to load. Okay, go ahead and tap start. And then click on the button that's highlighted. As soon as this is done, you're going to be connecting a lot when you first start up this game, because there's a lot to go through. This is like agreements, like I agreed, sell my soul to Vanguard, whatever. You want to do that. Again, click the highlighted. Click OK. This is the first download. So let that go ahead and go. If a number stops for about, say it's like stuck on 4 out of 36, and that stops for about 5 to 10 minutes, go ahead and just restart the game. And it'll bring you back to this, and it'll save your progress from what you did last time. I've had to do this like twice, so you know, if it like stops loading, go ahead and just restart the app. Once done, tap to start, and that's going to start up the game. Take you into the first little tutorial cutscene type of thing. If you want to use Google Translate to translate any of this, that's what I do. But I'm just gonna skip through it because I've already done this. So here it's gonna ask you to put in your name. Just go ahead and type in your name of your choosing. And then get on with the story. Get through this real quick. And now it's going to bring you to the second download. So go ahead and click OK. Again, restart the app if it stops anywhere for too long, or just let it go. It's your choice. But this is 256, so I'll see you when it's done. Okay, go ahead and tap to start, and you're now playing Vanguard in Japanese. The English one is coming out, I think they said spring of this year, 2020. So if you just want to get a little taste of Vanguard, it's not exact rules. I don't think you can guard on this game. It's a good little stepping stone if you want to dip your toe into Vanguard. But yeah. So that's how you download it. Like, subscribe. See you guys later.